Oh, when we're prepping for a ridge vent, go ahead and cut your decking so your attic can breathe. Do our traditional buildup of 2x2s. And then go ahead and bring in your venting material. And then measure from the panel to the venting material. Once we get that bent, see we're going to have a 2-inch fold up. And then we can go ahead and install this as normal with fasteners through my front. And then we'll do our fasteners through the back. We want to make sure we don't over tighten, that way the venting material can still vent. Now once we do both sides, we'll be ready to cap this. So once we get our caps, we want to make sure that we do our buildup of 2x2s so the cap will stay a 1/2 inch off of my decking. And we'll go ahead and fasten those. And just make sure that we're keeping our 1/2 inch off of the deck as we're fastening those.